Good morning, good morning. How you guys doing today? Happy Friday, May 24th, 2024. We're going to have a good session today, guys. We're going to have a really good one because we're going to take a deep dive into silver. Seems to be a lot of you really requesting some analysis on silver. So we're going to take a deep look at silver. We're going to take a look at the CFTC data. We're going to look at the supply and demand dynamics that's taking place, and give you a deeper understanding of why silver is doing what it's doing and why it has done what it has done. And once you have a deeper understanding of that, you'll have a better idea of what's likely to come. Okay? So thanks for joining again, and if you can hit the like button, we can get started. That would be much appreciated. Or if you want to save the like until after the show, that's all great with me too. Just if you like and appreciate what we have to offer you here, then press the button. That's it. And then we can get out to more retail traders. Okay, good. Let's get started then. Let's see. Gorgeous day today, by the way, outside. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. All right, silver. So one of the things that I look at when I'm doing analysis is I like to look at the CFTC data, okay? Because this is the positions of the big banks. Here you get to see what they've been doing and why they've been doing it, okay? So let's go back. We don't even have to go that far back. Let's go back to the end of 2019, December 2019. And January 2020, where we reached 110,000 in long positions. So January 21st, 2020, right here. January, right here. So again, January 14, 2020. It's right here. Okay, so let's just mark that. And let's take a look. 110,000. Okay. Maxed out position. Okay, right here. They reached maximum size for long positions. Right here. And if we take a look at price action, we can see that price made a significant rally. Not a huge rally, but significant, leading up to that moment. Let me just grab my pen. Here she is, okay? So we saw a significant rally. Then they reached maximum size on long positions, okay? So what happened after that? Well, let's look at the positions. They went from 110 to 53,000 by March 24th. Where do you think that is? Right here. So do you see what happened with price from that time? From the time that they were maxed out on long positions to them closing out a massive amount of their long positions, massive drop in price, okay? So this is something that we've shared before in the past, where when you have the market being flooded with buying, then that usually causes a move to the upside. But when they are massively profiting from a position, it usually causes a move in the opposing direction. So here's a perfect example of that. Okay, they reached maximum size, they took massive profits on long positions, and this caused a massive drop in price. Okay, so let's carry forward and take a look at what else has happened from that date. So leading up to January 21st, 2020. January 21st. What did I say? July 21st, sorry. July 21st, right here. And 90K. Okay. So they went from, in March, but low 40s, mid 40s in positions, and they doubled their positions. So they are buying, they're going long. So a lot of people ask me, oh, why is it that you follow non-commercial? Well, because when non-commercial buy, the market goes up. When the non-commercial sell, the market goes down. It's plain and simple. We want to buy when those that think the market are going up are buying. We want to sell when those that think the market is going to drop are selling. So they reached 90,000 right here. Okay. Not maximum size, because at that time 110 seemed to be the maximum. Let's see. No, it would have been 130, because we have not reached those numbers since. Okay. Then we see some profit taking, and then a steady increase into longs again into January 5th, 2021. January 5th, 2021 is right here. Right here. And that is 90K. Okay? Again. And then what happens when they reach the 90K? Look at their positions. From 90 to 67 in April 2021. April 2021 would take you to here. So profit taking on long positions ends up causing a price decline. What happens immediately after that? An increase in long positions again. So you see what's happening here. An increase in long positions again. To what? Numbers. 88 in June. May, June, right here at the highs. 88, and then what? Profit taking again. You see how their long positions go into the blue territory, cooled off. That's the profit taking on long positions again. So it wasn't until, it looks like July 26, 2022. July. There we go. Right here. July 26, 2022 is when they reached a large amount of short positions. Right here. And that was, let's see, 59,000. So you see, as price was declining, the banks were accumulating a short position. 59,000. And the thing is, we can go back and we can take a look at this number, 59,000. Watch what I'm going to do here. 59,000. Okay. Now let's go back in time and take a look at what big short positions were. 51,000. 47,000. 51,000. 58,000. Here is when we see a big number. May 28, 2019. May 28, 2019, March, April, May. What was the number? 96,000. So, the last time they were incredibly aggressive with their short positions was right at these lows. And then what needed to take place? They needed to close off those short positions to take profits on those shorts, and it fueled a move to the upside. So now we fast forward and we're at 50s. We're starting to see a trend where they don't reach 96,000 on shorts. It's in around the 50s. Okay, so let's go back to this area now. June 2022. Right here, June, July 2022. Now, September 6, 2022. August, September 6, 2022 is right here. They get into the 64K. Take profit on short positions. It fuels a move to the upside. Okay, so let's move forward. Now let's look at those two columns, longs and shorts. So you see, longs haven't been doing much for quite some time now. But beginning of March 2024, we see a big increase in long positions. So March 2024 is exactly here. So do you see why you're being told that you should not follow non-commercials, but instead follow the commercials? They started to increase their long positions back in March. If you were looking at commercials, you would have been looking at the data and you would have been seeing a massive increase in short positions. Okay. What do you want to do? Do you want to open up short positions as price rallies? Is that what you want to do? Do you want to get your hint on what you should do with silver by looking at commercials? Because if you were doing that, then you'd be opening up short positions as price rallies. And this is exactly the opposite of what you want it to be doing. Okay? You would want to be looking at long positions, not shorts. So you would have been wanting to focus on the non-commercial, because as they were adding long positions, price was rallying up in price. So that takes us to where we are today, and that's May 14th, 2024, 87,000 long. I should do this like that. 87,000 long. Now let's take a look. 87. Let's get a little rectangle here so we can look at that number. Is that number significant from everything that we've just covered this morning? Is that number significant to you? 87,000. Let's just quickly go back again and take a look. 87,000. Oh, 76,000, March 8, 2022. March 8, March 8. 8. Last time we had this many, or close to this many long positions, what happened with price? Went down. Interesting. All right, so let's go back and look again. June 8, 2021. Another time. June 8, 2021. June. Another time where positions reached where they are right now with longs. What happened with price? Dropped. So you see, just after 15 minutes of studying the historical CFTC data of the non-commercials, not the commercials, because if you're looking at commercials, you would be seeing them doing the opposite of what was taking place in the markets. And therefore, you'd be very confused as to what you should be expecting now. So you see this big pullback in price here on silver. But we just reached 87K long, which already in two historical moments on the chart, when CFTC data reached those same numbers in terms of the long positions, what we ended up seeing was a sell-off in long positions and a drop in price. Okay? So just knowing that should give you some indication of what to expect from silver. Yes, we had a very nice bullish move recently, very nice bullish move. But considering where we are at with non-commercial positions, we should be very careful with positions. We should be very careful with proceeding, because all indications are that we're likely going to be seeing a pullback from these highs. Okay, deep dive into silver for today's show. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it gave you some insight into silver, what it's done, and what it's doing now, and what that means in terms of the odds of things happening in the future. Okay, so that's it. I'll leave you with that. Hope you have a good Friday, and hope you have a good weekend. And yeah, hit the like button. You liking our videos helps to get our message out to other retail traders that are having problems with their trading, who are being told that they should be listening to the commercials and all that other good stuff. So we appreciate all your support. Okay, have yourself a good day. We'll talk to you later, and so long, everybody.